I used to press F4 all the time, but now I press F5. So refreshing. Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy and this is Blizzard Hunter. Now Blizzard Hunter are from Peru. I have definitely not heard any metal from Peru. I am certain of it. So I got sent this by a friend and I have seen a little bit of this, probably about a whole minute, and I thought, yes, definitely. It's from 2015 this, and it's called Heavy Metal to the Vein, and the album's called Heavy Metal to the Vein, and it's got like a Viking fighting a, I'm not entirely sure, a something on a horse, which is metal, let's face it, and everything about this is metal. It couldn't be more metal. So, like I say, I've seen about a minute of this, so I hope you enjoy it, because I really enjoyed that minute. Blizzard Hunter 2015. Blizzard Hunter doesn't even make sense as a word, does it? And I've got my headphone all mangled up. That went well. Should we try that again? I've put the earpieces on, the kind of bits that grip in your ear, and I found out that when I did that, they suddenly sounded a lot better. They must be seating. They must be seating better in my ears. So it's not like I'm going jogging or anything, but you know, if it works. There's also been a bit of a gap, you may have noticed, between this video and the last video, and that's because I've just changed jobs. And the problem with changing job is you suddenly find you have no time, because it's a new job and a new everything. I've got to go to a new place and all of those sorts of things, and so my life's a little bit higgledy-piggledy at the moment, but we'll get back on track. Anyway, Blizzard Hunter, let's play it. He says, looking for the right button. Every time. Now obviously you've got a band full of young guys in a scout hut or something in Peru playing very, very traditional heavy metal, haven't you? I mean, you know, it couldn't be any more, it couldn't fit any more in the middle of the genre. Heavy metal, everything about it, the clothes, the belts, the delivery, the Iron Maiden song. So why am I doing it? Because I just think this is fun. I just find this song so fun. And he's got quite a good voice, hasn't he? Let's face it. He's got his Halloween t-shirt on, and he's got a bit of a Halloweeny voice.
It's a rainy hot west.
Go on, you try and tell me you didn't enjoy that. Anyone who remembers the 80s would have enjoyed that. You just got to enjoy that. It's like they went off and got the Book of Heavy Metal, no pun intended. No, that wasn't a reference to the song. But it's like they went off and got the Book of Heavy Metal and then read it all and went, yep, watched a load of Manowar videos, watched a load of Iron Maiden videos, and kind of got that distillation of what metal is. So, yeah, you know, I'm not going to put it on my pile of all-time greats, and I'm not going to, you know, I'm not going to go on about the fantastic musicianship, though you got to admit, the boys could play. But it's just so fun. It's just, it just made me smile. You know, I'm not going to run out and buy the album. No, sorry guys, but that's great. That's great. I love stuff like that. Absolutely love it. And that, you know, that's the reason I like Powerwolf and the reason I like Hell. Though those bands have a vastly bigger budget than Blizzard Hunter, it has the same sort of vein running through it of we know what we are and we're having some fun. And, you know, I was quite impressed at the end, to be honest. The musicianship was much better than I was expecting, because like I say, I only saw about a minute of it first, but it's so catchy. By the time the second time the chorus came around, I knew when to sing, you know. Yeah, you can't. If anyone says they really didn't like that, any of that, they're dead inside. I'm sorry. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. That was Blizzard Hunter and Heavy Metal to the Vein from 2015 from the album. I have no idea if they've done any more. This is a random one-off that somebody sent me, and I haven't done any research as usual. Oh, my ear's itching. Yeah, bye.